as nowadays parents mostly in academic, right? Like they want, okay, once our children get good scores in academically, then later they can learn this language, English language. So what's your take on it? Would they take the initiative now at a very early age, or do you think, okay, later they can also learn this language? So what's your
Some kids, they are very small, but still they are getting opportunity to go in like other countries for study because
Hmm.
of this language, because of they able to speak this language very confidently. So it's
Right.
very mandatory to try to give like provide that how surrounding there they can bloom there, they can learn how to talk and how to like communicate and how to learn this language, because
Yes.
we all know it's a very important how to. Even I am not tech savvy, I'm just still I'm learning. It's been only 20 days I've started my YouTube, so I'm just learning how to share, how to mail each and everything.
So one experience, right? Every time you can't be ready for everything. You can't prepare your mind. You can't cram, okay, just cram something and go and speak. Sometimes we should discuss life experiences as well, isn't it? So the same happened to me today, that today I discussed some life experiences with her, but I learned so many things. Means it was a very phenomenal session with Manju ma'am. And so hi, good afternoon. How are you doing today? Thank you so much for
uh,
joining me.
yeah, thank you so much to giving me that opportunity to sharing a screen with you.
Yes, it's
How
my
are you, ma'am?
pleasure. I'm doing great, exceptionally well, and it's my pleasure to have you here. So tell me, how has your day been so far? It was productive.
Yeah, I can say it was productive. It was a mixed bag. I am searching a good school for my younger one, so I was there. Yeah.
Oh, okay. How old he is?
He's 3 year old, ma'am.
3 years old. You can call
Yeah,
me as Meenakshi.
sure.
Okay. Right, 3 years old. Yes, yes. Now you are looking for his school. Wow, that's
Yes.
wonderful. Okay, so as you are here on my YouTube channel for the very first time, so would you mind introducing yourself first?
Sure, ma'am. So if you already know, my name is Deepa Upadhyay Pathak. Basically, I am from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, but currently I live in Ghaziabad. I am mother of two kids. If I talk about my education, I have done my PG in education, BEd as well as NTT. In addition, I have cracked CTET and UPTET. After that, I have completed a course which is related to neurologies.
Mhm.
So it's called NLP, Neuro Linguistic Program, how to understand our brain, our mind. That's
Mhm.
all about me. Yeah.
Okay, very nice. So have you worked somewhere as well? Like, have you worked anywhere as a working professional?
No, ma'am. I never worked.
Okay, you never worked. Even before
Yeah.
getting married, you never worked.
I work a small school. I used to give tuition classes, but I never because I have given my 5 to 6 year for preparing government exam.
Hmm. Okay,
But
right.
yeah.
Okay, so do you have any further plan?
Yeah, of course, ma'am. As you know, these days I'm learning this language.
Hmm.
So I have started, it's been 1 month. I have also started my language training. I'm
Oh,
giving classes to small kids,
hmm.
spoken classes. Yeah.
Right. Okay, so very nice. As you have mentioned, you have done so many things as education is really mandatory nowadays. Earlier, people used to say that, okay, girls should not be educated, but boys should be educated. But I appreciate, and I guess we appreciate our parents who gave this wonderful opportunity, to do study as much as we want, isn't it? Right.
Yes.
So, as I have a conversation with your daughter as well, so means it was a mind-boggling conversation with her, which I never ever forget. And the way sometimes I feel I also don't speak like her. The confidence she has, the aura she carries, like she's such a charismatic personality. And I really appreciate you as well. Like you as a parent, I guess you are also helping her in one way or another, right? So first of all, I would really want to ask you that are you also involved the way she speaks? Do you also involve in means contribute with her, or she's learning on her own? So please share insights with me.
Wow, as thank you so much, ma'am, because this I would say it's very beautiful question. I would like to give my journey, what I like effort, my time, whatever I have given to my daughter, because I am a very meticulous mother. I don't want to let like she do anything whatever she want. I want to give her guidance. What kind of things you do that you can find lots of positive result,
Hmm.
because time is very precious according to me. If you are going to if you are willing to learn, if you are willing to become a very bold personality, so you have to put a kind of thing also accordingly, right? So that is the reason I always give her guidance. But whatever she want to do, it should be in my guidance, under the guidance. And but whatever effort needed to put that particular area, it's her duty, not mine. But I always tell her, I am always behind you. If anywhere you need any help, so I'm ready to guide you. But you have to take your initiative.
Okay.
That's how I am, yeah, giving her training, and she is, yeah, I would say she's blooming.
Okay. Does she ever interrupt you as well? That mama, you are speaking wrong here. Sometimes in a flow, we tend to make mistakes. So have you
Yeah.
ever experienced this? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Every day I would say, but some similarly, she gives me like she always appreciate me. Mama, you are very good at everything. So why you are learning this language? So I always like try to clear that things. It's okay if I am good at everything, but in my case, sometimes I feel hesitate to connect with people. So
Yes.
I want to overcome from that thing. That is the reason I'm connecting every day with new co-learners or YouTubers. That is the reason. And sometime when I made mistakes, I see like just interrupt between
Hmm.
what you are saying. It is not good. It is not correct. You have to say like this. This is the good way to like say or ask questions. So I said okay. Although I always like look up her because she always ready to help me.
Yes, yes, because they have a very fresh mind. As we are, as a homemaker, we have a lot of responsibility. We juggle so many tasks throughout the day, but they have a very fresh mind. They can capture, they can learn, they can observe, and they can grab each and everything instantly, very quickly. I would say, right? But I guess our mind is. I guess spreads in so many things, so that is also a one reason, right? Because we have to take care of our children, and we wear so many hats, isn't it?
Okay.
But if they interrupt, so I guess we should learn from them as well. So this is a very,
Yeah.
actually you have a supportive hand at your home. Your surrounding is like that. Because if I talk about me, in my family, my daughter, actually I conducted a summer camp, since I started teaching students offline classes. Now it's completed, but since I gave them classes for 1 month, and now she started listening to English content, right?
That,
Though it's quite interesting, she's taking interest. And sometimes she speaks like, mama, okay, means ऐसे ही बस broken English, एक word यहाँ से ले लिया, एक word वहां से ले लिया, but she tries to speak. And earlier she used to say, mama, don't speak in English in front of me. I don't want to utter even a single word in English, right? So, sorry. So sometimes she didn't take interest, but nowadays she started taking interest, and she says me by herself that, Mama, please, I wanna watch English content. So could you please allow me for some time? Can I watch something in English? Then I say, why not? You can. I also want.
It's a good
Right.
sign, I would say.
Yes, yes, actually. So now I feel content. At least she's taking interest on her own. And I want that she also speaks, right? Okay. So tell me, as nowadays, parents mostly in academic, right? Like they want, okay, once our children get good scores in academically, then later they can learn this language, English language. So, what's your take on it? Would they take the initiative now at a very early age, or do you think, okay, later they can also learn this language? So, what's your take on it? As your daughter is already good communicator, so that's why I'm asking this question to you.
See, actually, I believe that everyone have a different perspective. It's depend person to person, right?
Yes.
But in if I talk about myself, in my opinion, it's very important because language is plays a significant role.
Mm,
It shapes our personality. So definitely try to start from beginning. It would be better, and because I am like seeing surround me this language providing us a opportunity, a great opportunity. I have seen in news and newspaper, even some kids they are very small, but still they are getting opportunity to go in like other countries for study because
mm,
of this language, because of they able to speak this language very confidently. So it's
right.
very mandatory to try to give like provide that how surrounding there they can bloom there, they can learn how to talk and how to like communicate and how to learn this language, because
Yes.
we all know it's a very important, this is a very important, we
Mm,
can consider this language as a bridge.
mm,
Through this
right.
language we can connect with everyone, so it's very important in my opinion. Yeah.
Actually, because even my real sister, my elder sister, sometimes she says, whenever I suggest her that you should make your son understand that this language is really important, so he should learn now, right? He should start
Exactly.
right away. But she, she say by herself that, okay, later he, I don't know why I'm just talking about, I'm thinking like I'm talking about my daughter, but she has a son. So, sometimes she says that, okay, later he will learn this language. There is no, because he already has a lot of pressure of academics. So how I would, give him extra pressure, right? But I am saying that learning this language is not a called of pressure, right?
Exactly.
They can learn in easy way as well, right? By listening to web series, sorry, songs as well, music as well. Like there are so many stuff they can listen, they can watch, and they can learn easily. Right, but later once they feel that, okay, this language is really mandatory for us, then it could be a kind of pressure on them, isn't it? What your take on it?
Yeah, because I also feel the same. Sometimes being a parents, if we don't know how to speak any language,
Hmm.
maybe it could create a pressure on us, right? But once we are clear in our mind, we are just learning a language, and that's how we would be able to provide some scenario towards our kids, right? So
Yes.
definitely try to learn. And one another thing I would say, if I think very early, if kids are, if you are able to provide some, how to say, classes, it could be classes or how they learn any language, it's better.
Hmm.
Because I think after 3 and under 11, kids are very like inquisitive to learn anything. They
Right.
can grab easily
Hmm.
what you want to put in their mind or brain. So it's better to take a decision very early.
Yes, yes, actually, right. So, are you consistent towards this journey, or do you also feel sometime, or do you also fell off the wagon that, okay, now I don't want to learn something? Like, what's your approach towards this?
Yeah, definitely. Some even I am feeling because yesterday I have connected with Karishma ma'am, Karishma Chauhan, but because of my son, I couldn't able to speak very well.
Oh,
So right now I'm feeling, oh my God, I spoiled all the thing because of him. Because all the time he just switch off my laptop.
okay.
So it was very, I would say, I cannot verbalize that situation in the word. Still, I am in I'm in conundrum what I have done because if you are very excited to connect with someone and you are not able to give your 100% or your best, so sometimes it's make feel us like unhappy, but it's okay. Sometimes I feel, but simultaneously I take this language as my daily routine. What I have done, so I have started thinking in English. Sometimes I ask anything. Even I started to talk with my husband and my daughter in English. That's how I'm practicing.
Okay, wonderful. And I couldn't agree more with you. Even today, I also had a conversation with Manju ma'am. I also watched your video with Manju ma'am. It was
Yeah.
also mind blowing. And yes, yes. So, but today I don't know why I was not in the right frame of my mind. What happened whenever I invite someone on my YouTube channel, I feel that I am really confident. But if I go somewhere on someone's channel, what happened with me? So it seems that I forget each and everything.
This happened with me also because we have to speak a lot.
Yes,
If we invite someone on our channel, so we feel very comfort. Okay, I have to just ask some question. In
yes.
between, we can interrupt. Otherwise, we just keep and listen. We just sit and listen. Try to listen. But sometime when we go on another like other
Someone.
channel, so we have to speak.
Yes,
So
yes.
it's happened with me also.
Right, right, right. It happened actually, and I was not into speaking practice for the past few days for some reason. So I guess that's why. But yes, it's fine. It's also a one experience, right? Every time you can't be ready for everything. You can't prepare your mind. You can't, cram. Okay, just cram something and go and speak. Sometimes we should discuss life experiences as well, isn't it? So the same happened to me today that today I discussed some life experiences with her, but I learned so many things. Means it was a very phenomenal session with Manju ma'am, and she is literally a kind-hearted lady. I appreciate. Means in all YouTubers, I really love the aura she carries. Right? What's what do you think?
Yeah, I also feel the same like you, and but I think it's been before 2 days I have connected with someone. She's also a YouTuber. I don't want to reveal her name here, but it was like I have made first time with someone. She like behave like that. Like she have some preconceived notion. If someone cheated on her, so she behaving like everyone can do same thing. So for me, I was very astonished how she can. Even I was like trying to understand her. I am not like that. Whatever you are like, under you are thinking about me.
Hmm.
I am quite different. For me, if I told you anything, yes, I would be there. Miss, I would be there. This
Hmm.
is Deepa. For me, like you have listened maybe about Ramchandra ji, Lord Rama, like Pran jaye but vachan na jaye. I am kind of person.
Yeah.
I am kind of person, but see, not ready. She was not ready to understand, and I am very new at how to share things. How to even I am not tech savvy. I'm learning. It's been only 20 days. I've started my YouTube. So I'm just learning how to share, how to mail each and everything. But still, she not ready to understand.
Oh.
I just try to let go because like I was feeling very very furious about that. That day I hadn't take my lunch. I I hadn't able to make sleep to my son. But still she was just like messing me, yo, everyone sending me. Like she was behaving like I'm a beginner and she is an advanced speaker. So okay, I accept. It's been only 8 months and whatever suits on you, not possible that thing suits on me in my situation. Right? Everyone have different things and different scenario in their house. So how you can compare yourself with others?
Mm.
Being a human, try to understand, yeah.
You
So it was.
invited her, you invited her on your channel?
Yes, I invited her, but she started asking for video. So I said, okay, I will share. So she said, after that conversation, you have to send that video immediately. So I said, for me, it's not possible because it take at least 15 minutes to 20 minutes
Mm.
to save in our laptop. Then I transfer that video from laptop to my phone.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, I also do the same. Yes, yes.
I don't have idea. You have idea how to share a video through WhatsApp?
On Gmail, from Gmail, via Gmail, you can send. You have to tell her that please share me your Gmail ID. Then you can send them. I
Yeah.
also send. Hmm?
So I can send directly video
Yes, yes, you
or
can send
link.
directly. Like you can take the help of Gmail and you can just upload that video, and later within a few seconds you can send her.
Okay, but I find any another idea how to share because I have asked to Ansuman Mishra how to
Yeah.
share video. So he told me, he advised me you can share video through Telegram if you
Yes,
want to
correct.
direction,
Hmm.
or you can send through mail. So
Okay.
I share, try, yeah, I share her through link,
Yes.
but maybe she would be like afraid to hit on that link. It could be reason, but her behavior was very bad, I would say.
Okay. If I am
She
not wrong, you're talking about a lady. She is old. Six,
says
old, like 60, 66.
no, she's
Oh,
young like us.
okay. Okay. Let her be. Whosoever she will understand if she will watch my video.
Definitely.
Yes, yes, but I don't think so. Yeah, means no matter. This is only a language. If I know English, it doesn't mean that I am perfect in this world. There are so many things are pending, right? I am not
So
perfect
I
in
say like
everything.
empathy, we should always make a more noise. Try to
Yes,
understand. Being a human is not just grabbing knowledge.
yes,
Knowledge make us a pure human, a perfect human, right? Try to
yes,
be that.
yes,
It
yes,
not means you have learned any language. It not means you have master in anything on anything and you just start behaving like that. It's not. It not could be.
it's like a egoistic personality in someone, and you can't grow actually. If someone has
Definitely.
nature like this, they can't grow ever in their life, right? We should respect, no matter the person is bigger than us or smaller, but we should respect each and every person. I often call ma'am, no matter who's the person in front of me, right? Later they can tell us, yes, you can call me by my name, but I don't think so that we should disrespect anyone. Everyone has a story, have everyone carries a story, right? And everyone
Exactly.
has their own perspective. Okay, let her be whosoever has nature like this, and there is a idiom: leopard can't change its sports,
Exactly. Exactly.
right? So we
I also
can't
feel the
change it.
same.
Yes, yes, we can't change their nature. Okay, so do you have anything to ask me, or I guess we have to wind up this session? It's approximately half an hour.
Yeah. So I have question for you. When did you started your YouTube journey? So what kind of problem you have faced? You had faced.
I don't consider it as a problems. I consider it as I'm learning new things, right? Me, so far, I am learning. Still, I am learning so many things because still I am not perfect. I just learned this background 2 days ago. Last time I told you that you have a very nice background. Then later I learned that how I can, maintain this background. So I learned. So everything is easy once you start. You are curious to know that. So initial days, like I used to wake up late night, and I learned so many things by taking help of AI, right? And I even visited some of my acquaintances as well. They guided me superficially, but not meticulously. Whatever I learned on my own. And even I am running my husband's YouTube channel as well. So I am running two YouTube channel, one of mine and another one is my husband. And my husband also used to go someone's house even at night as well. After 11, he used to come back. But once I learned each and everything, now he feels content. He feels very happy that now my wife is capable enough and I don't need to go anywhere. And so far, I am learning. Still, there are so many things to learn. So there is no challenge. There is a new experiences which we collect each and every day.
Yes, no brainer. You have got a point because I have learned, I have been learning lots of things, and I am feeling very happy and excited and content because whatever I am learning, I am learning by my own. So
Yes.
that things give us like a fulfillment.
Yes.
Earlier, I'm using once my husband he helps me, then I will start my YouTube channel.
Yes.
So for me, when pigs fly, then he will help me. So it's better to do something, whatever you want to, like do whatever you want to by your own. So I have
Yes.
started learning things. Yeah. Even yesterday, I have learned how to collaborate video.
Yes.
I
Yes.
was trying again and again, but all the time I got failure. Then I decided, oh, I'm going to learn through YouTube with help of YouTube. And finally, I learned that and I collaborate three video.
Very nice. That's why I am saying everything is difficult until we try to learn it. Once we learn it, then everything becomes a cakewalk for us, isn't it? But I don't think so that people don't want to tell you anything. So you have to learn it on your own. We have to learn it on our own. So I guess nowadays, I guess we have AI, so everything is easy. Everything became easy actually. So we can learn easily. And but yes, we should be willing to learn. If we have curiosity to learn something, so we can definitely learn that.
Exactly, and I would say like if we are feeling confidence, it's a byproduct of
Yes.
learning, being a resilient personality is very important, right?
Mm,
So if you are ready to come out from your zone, so you can do anything what you want.
exactly. So as a result, in the last, we give motivation to each other. This is also required, isn't it? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so it was really a phenomenal session with you, and means mind blowing session like your daughter. So thank you so much for having here, and I'm looking forward to have more and more conversation with you. So till then, bye bye. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay,
Take
bye.
care. Bye.